Have you ever wondered what the world was like a million years ago? Can you imagine a time before skyscrapers, cars, or even modern humans? Let's talk about a world with prehistoric life, dramatic climate changes, and the emergence of humanity. Our journey starts with understanding the ancient ecosystems that existed long before modern humans. Earth was a place of dramatic climate shifts and diverse life forms 1 million years ago. Dense forests, expansive grasslands, and formidable predators characterized this ancient world. Around this time, our ancestors made significant strides in their evolutionary journey. These were the hominins, early humans like Homo erectus, who displayed remarkable adaptability and ingenuity. But who were those ancient beings? And what were their lives like? We're not sure if this journey to 1 million years ago will help you survive in the real world, but liking our video will help us survive and bring you more crazy content. Fossils tell us of survival and adaptation. One such tale unfolds in Africa's Great Rift Valley, particularly at the Olduvai Gorge in Tanzania. This site has yielded a treasure trove of fossils and stone tools, vividly depicting early hominins' life. Homo erectus, known for their larger brains and improved tool-making skills, were likely thriving there. Homo erectus were pioneers in many ways. Their use of Acheulean hand axes mark a significant technological leap. These tools were not just functional, they required planning and precision, hinting at advanced cognitive abilities. Survival in such a challenging environment necessitated cooperation and innovation. Evidence suggests that early hominins hunted large game, including hippos and elephants, which required strategic planning and teamwork. This ability to work together was crucial for their success and marks an important step towards the complex societies we see in humans today. Another groundbreaking development was the controlled use of fire. In Wonderwerk Cave in South Africa, evidence of burnt bones and plant matter suggests that our ancestors had begun to harness fire, offering warmth, protection, and a means to cook food. This was a pivotal moment in human evolution, impacting diet, social structure, and migration patterns. Speaking of migration, early humans had spread far beyond Africa by 1 million years ago. Sites in Europe and Asia, such as Dmanisi in Georgia and Zucudian in China, show that Homo erectus and other early humans were remarkably adaptable, surviving in diverse climates from temperate forests to cold steppe environments. Our ancestors shared their world with other species, including the giant ape Gigantopithecus in Asia. Imagine the awe and perhaps fear early humans must have felt encountering such formidable creatures. In Southeast Asia, evidence suggests early humans managed to reach islands like Flores, indicating they may have used rudimentary rafts or other means to cross water barriers. This level of ingenuity and exploration is truly outstanding. Even in colder climates, early humans left their mark. What is now the United Kingdom, ancient footprints at Happisburg reveal that hominins braved the chill of a much cooler Europe, hinting at their use of primitive clothing and shelter to survive. In caves like those at Wonderwerk, we see early signs of fire use, showing that these ancient humans were not just surviving, but beginning to shape their environments more sophisticatedly. Fire provided warmth, protection, and a means to cook food, fundamentally changing their way of life. 1 million years ago, humanity stood on the precipice of incredible change. Early humans laid the groundwork for future generations, from developing tools to harnessing fire. Their resilience and innovation set the stage for the rise of modern humans and the complex societies we build today. Can you feel the connection to those early pioneers? Reflecting on this ancient past, we recognize that humanity's journey is continuous adaptation and discovery. From the distant echoes of our ancestors to the bustling world we inhabit now, the story of human evolution is a testament to our enduring curiosity and ingenuity. There are thousands of different cultures worldwide, each with its beautiful, fascinating, unique expression of what it means to be human. Wherever you're from, wherever you're watching this, there is something truly special about your culture. Every person, every nation has their own story to tell. This rich tapestry of human experience makes history and archaeology so endlessly interesting. Despite all our differences, everyone shares one story: our evolution. Today, I want to discuss what we know, but more importantly, what we don't know about our evolution and me. We'll explore the last common ancestor of us and our closest relatives, the Neanderthals and Denisovians, and delve into the evidence of our African origins before examining how we spread across the globe. We're going to take a closer look at the last common ancestor of Homo sapiens, Neanderthals and Denisovians. Who were they? When did they live? Where did they live? These are fantastic questions, and we don't have all the answers yet. Homo erectus was probably the first hominid to leave Africa around 1.8 million years ago. This migration led to scattered populations of archaic humans across Africa, Asia, and Europe, each evolving and adapting to their unique environments. However, pinpointing our direct ancestors and untangling their relationships is extremely challenging. Genetic studies of Neanderthal remains from Belgium, France, Croatia, and Russia have shown that our last common ancestor lived at least 530,000 years ago, possibly as long as 700,000 to 800,000 years ago. This period, known as the muddle in the middle, is a complex time in human evolution with few clear answers. During this time, the evolutionary tree was more of a tangled bush. Homo erectus gave rise to numerous lineages, including the Neanderthals in Europe and the Denisovians in Asia. Meanwhile, early Homo sapiens were evolving in Africa. These groups occasionally interbred, sharing genes and cultural practices. The similarities in stone tools and other artifacts across different regions show evidence of cultural exchange. The Acheulean hand axe used by Homo erectus spread widely, indicating a shared technological heritage among early human populations. These early humans were incredibly adaptable, surviving in diverse environments, from the cold steppes of Europe to the tropical forests of Asia. They developed various survival strategies, including hunting large game, gathering plants, and perhaps even fishing and foraging along coastlines. Today, the legacy of our ancient ancestors lives on in the rich diversity of human cultures worldwide. Each culture has its unique way of expressing what it means to be human, and each contributes to the global tapestry of our shared history. The study of human evolution is an ongoing journey of discovery. With each new fossil find and genetic analysis, we get closer to understanding the intricate web of relationships that make up our family tree. Yet many mysteries remain, and the story of our origins continues to evolve. Technological advances like DNA sequencing and improved data methods are helping us piece together the puzzle of our past. These tools allow scientists to trace genetic lineages and compare ancient DNA with modern humans, providing insights into our evolutionary history. As we explore the last common ancestor of Homo sapiens, Neanderthals and Denisovians, we step into a complex world where different human species coexisted, interacted, and evolved. This ancestor likely lived around 700,000 years and 1 million years ago, fraught with climate change and environmental challenges. The environment played a crucial role in shaping our evolution. Climate shifts led to changes in habitat, food availability, and migration patterns. forcing early humans to adapt and innovate. These adaptations are reflected in the diverse toolkits and survival strategies employed by different hominin groups. Researchers continue to unearth evidence that shed light on these ancient adaptations. Each discovery adds a new layer to our understanding of human evolution. From stone tools and fire use to early art and symbolic behavior. Evolution doesn't directly change individual organisms. Instead, it modifies the inherent traits that shape the growth and development of an entire population, a group of the same species living in a specific area. Parents pass beneficial genetic changes to their offspring over generations. These changes become widespread through the population. Consequently, offspring inherit traits that enhance their survival and reproductive success, which are advantageous until environmental conditions shift. Over long periods, these genetic alterations can significantly transform a species' lifestyle. For example, changes can affect what a species eats, how it grows, and where it can live. In humans, evolution brought about new genetic variations in our early ancestors, enabling them to develop new skills and adapt to their environments. These changes included improved brain function, bipedalism, walking on two legs, and the ability to use tools, all contributing to the distinct human way of life. Human evolution is a complex process influenced by various factors, such as climate change, migration, and social interaction. As early humans encountered different environments and challenges, natural selection favored traits that enhanced adaptability. For instance, changes in diet led to the development of smaller jaws and larger brains, while the ability to communicate and form social bonds strengthened community living and cooperation. Despite the vast differences between ancient and modern humans, the core aspects of our humanity remain unchanged. The drive to survive, innovate, and connect with others is as ancient as our species. These shared traits link us to our ancestors and to each other. Thank you for joining us on this journey 1 million years ago. Understanding our past helps us appreciate the incredible journey of evolution that has shaped who we are today. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our ancient history.